Hi, sweetie. Get comfy for me. In whatever position you find most enjoyable. Just relax and focus on your breathing. Slowly inhale through your nose. Hold it in for a second. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Slowly and deeply. Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out. So peaceful. As you breathe in relaxation, hold it in, feeling it spread out across your body, and exhale all the stress and tension from your body. Breathe in, relax, and breathe out, slowly letting go, body getting heavy as your mind becomes empty. Drifting into a pleasant trance, focusing on my voice ringing in your ears, gently guiding you deeper into the sense of pleasure, warmth, and relaxation. Body feeling so soft, so heavy, almost like it's being covered by a heavy blanket. You could still move, you just don't want to. Don't want to disturb the comfort you feel in this position. So just keep relaxing, keep breathing, keep slowly melting away, sinking deeper into the comfort of my voice, gently ringing in your ears, pulling you deeper into relaxation, deeper into a wonderful mindless trance, feeling so good. But you can yet feel even better. Allow me to count you down from 10 to 1, entering a deep, mindless, hypnotic trance once I reach 1. Ready? Good. 10. Feel yourself being pulled even deeper. 9. Letting go of your mind. 8. Letting go of your body. 7. Letting go of all control. 6. Allowing my words to guide you. 5. Feeling so warm and relaxed. 4. Letting yourself get lost in that feeling of relaxation. 3. Forgetting the world around you. 2. As you drop 1 down into a deep, mindless trance, deep down into my control, where my words hold the ultimate power over you, where I can rewrite the very reality around you, as you find your body stuck, restrained by a resin-like substance covering it. You hear a soft buzzing all around you. You quickly find yourself inside of a beehive, and you recognize that the resin holding you is in fact honey. Sweet, delicious, thick honey. The many little bees softly buzzing around you, adding more honey around your body, reinforcing it, turning you into a part of their home. You don't worry why. You don't worry how you got here. You don't even worry how you'll get out of here. You can feel the honey tightly clinging to your skin, to every surface it adheres to, every curve it can find. So soft, so warm. You give in to the comfort it provides. You relax into it, letting go, the buzzing melting away all your worries, as you just give in, let go, drift. You may try fighting, but your limbs won't budge. The honey's too thick, too heavy. Its sweet smell too intoxicating. Brain feeling so fuzzy. Too hard to think. Too hard to move. Too hard to fight. So just let go. Give in. And relax. Alright, I believe you have had enough. Allow me now to count you up and out of trance from 1 to 5, waking up at 5. Ready? Good. 1. Feel yourself slowly waking up. 2. The fantasy washing away. 3. Your body free to move again. 4. As you stretch your limbs and fingers. 5. And wake up. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, I kindly ask you to do the YouTube things like comment, subscribe, whatever. I also have a Patreon if you're interested. There's some more spicy content out there. Either way, take care. Mwah.